Hey everyone, welcome back. Right, today it's the 23rd of November, so I thought I'd better get some tubs took out and some of the potatoes out of the ground, so I think we'll do like 4 a piece. But I'll show you around and I'll show you what some of the gardens are like before we do that. That's Steve and Caroline's, they've done a great job with that. Only just started this year. As you can see, like, most of the stuff's all out now, but you know, you can still see, look at that, we've still got snow. You know, like, we've had like 2 days of snow and then that's gone, then we've been hit with the rain. You know, like, we're nearly coming up to my plot. Just down here. There we go. And these are quick look at the onions. I must take my magazine down as well. Let's look at the ice. It's been that cold. Right, I'll take this down and I'll set this up and we'll tip the buckets first and we'll see what's what. So what I've done is I've took 4 buckets, them there, I'll have a look at them, and we're going to dig 4 of them out. You know, it's a bit wet, but you know, like, I want to try and get it done before there's a bit more rain. Right, I'll just set this up. So let's have a look. Turn this down. There we go. Can you see us? I know not yet because I'm at the back. That looks okay there. Right, let's get the first bucket. Right, I think these are, you know, I looked them up and I think they were, God, that's heavy. And I think these were Picasso or Cara. So let's have a look. Oh, hey. I'll tip them out first. Oh. Put that down there. Let's have a look. Yeah, they're not too bad. So as I'll put them in there and I'll show you later. Oh, that's a canny size one. There's a couple of little ones. There's not a lot in that one actually. There's a couple more. I think I'm going to put this compost on there into those raised beds over there that I've just put up, and I'm going to use fresh compost for next year in the tubs because they've been in a few years now. I think it's best to, so I'll put fresh in, then I'll put old manure in and the potato fertiliser. I mean, it's still good stuff. I'll just put that back in there. Right, let's get the next one. Oh, and we're going to just pop them out. Oh, there's some ones. Let's see what the rest's like. They're not bad, if you can see them there. Oh, there doesn't look to be many in that one. You know, I neglected them in the summer really, you know, I didn't give them a good water. It's my fault really. Well, there's not much in that one. There's a couple. Right, so these tubs, the 30 litres, I'll show you the drainage in the bottom. I'll just do the next one. Well, they've been pretty poor. I think it's my own fault because, like I say, I didn't really water them in the summer and just let them fend for themselves. You know, like they had good growth on them, but it looks as though they've been a bit disappointing underneath. Right, I'll get this off. You'll have to excuse us because I've got a bit of a cold, so hence the sniffles. Right. Oh, me spade. Oh, there's one. There, I'll show you the bottom. So as you can see, they've got like ellipse right there, so you can put them on like stones or blocks and they'll drain out. You know, like they're good buckets. Right, let's have a look and see what we've got. There's a canny one. And in the back, there's another one. There's some big ones, some small ones. Yeah, that's another poor one. I'm hoping the ones in the ground will be better than these, because if you think they've had the moisture and they'll go down for it and search for it, whereas they're a bit stuck in the buckets. Right, let's do the last one, see what that one's like. Hopefully, oh god, I can't lift it. Oh, hey, hello. You know, like they're quite hard as well, so they're not. I was expecting them being a bit mushy because I'll have to start and pick them all out now. There's still a few. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's still about 20 tubs to do. So if they're all looking like this, I'll be. Oh, look at them. Right. I suppose it's not bad from 4 buckets. You know, I've had better last year. You know when it wasn't so dry. There's another one. I'll have to hunt my scales out, weigh them, and I don't know where they are. They're in either what, the top shed or the bottom shed, I don't know. I'll just weigh them at home, I think. Oh, that looks about it in that one. You know what, I put 2 tubers per bucket. That's what I normally like to do with the main cups. Now that's about it in that one. Right, I'll move that one down and go over to the ones in the ground. Right, I hope you can still see us there. Right, let's have a look. Now they're poking out of the ground there. I'll just move that forward a bit. Oh, these are a lot better because it's so wet, damp. You know, they've had the moisture to grow. God, they're soaking. And let these dry off a bit. There's one, just see that one. Right, next one. Lay that down. Sniffles, do apologise. Yes. Whoa, that's a big one. Whoa. Oh yes, it's like digging for treasure. Look at them bad boys. Well, I'll definitely be growing them in the ground again next year. I don't know when to grow them in the same place or. But that's a much better return that from just 2 plants. I mean, a good size. And that's the one out of the ground. That's the one that was in the tub. So it's not too bad actually. Right, do the third one, the last 2. Oh, these are much bigger, much better yield. Actually, they might be good for baking, for baked potatoes. This is that big. The whoppers. And these will definitely make you cry. Right, last one, and I'll show you the difference. Tell you what, there's some weight in these. I can just, it just looks heavy. Is that a one under there? I think that's it. Yeah. Right. So that's the ones out the ground. Can you see them okay? Some lovely size ones. Well impressed. And these are the ones out the 4 30 litre. So there's a kind of difference in size. Does size matter? I think it does in the kitchen. Right, there we go. Right, I'll take my gloves off. I'll pick the camera up. Oh, a bit of sunshine at last. Right, there we go. So they're the ones out of the ground. And they're the ones out of the 4 litre tubs. As you can see, I've got about 2.5 rows left. 1, 2, well, say 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, that one. And there's one there, but I'm just going to wait till it dries out a bit to do the rest of them. And these are the tubs that's left. So hopefully if they all turn out like them ones and them ones, I'll be happy. So, right, oh, before I go, I'm going to show you some of the spring bulbs that I planted a few weeks ago. You know, I did a video and they're starting to show now. So I'll give you a quick look. Right, I'll turn you round. Oh, it smells lovely in the onions. Right, I don't know if you can see them. These are the daffodil ones. The Tito teat, sorry. And there is some more coming. There's one there. That's the iris. Can you see it? There's another daff coming through. So they're looking good. Right. There we go. Look at the path. Absolutely soaking. Right guys, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little potato venture. Let us know in the comments if you've still got some in tubs or in the ground. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.